For decades, the standard for artificial intelligence was a game of deception. Could a machine trick a human into believing they were talking to another person? This challenge was proposed in 1950 by the mathematician Alan Turing, who envisioned a world where computers could mimic human thought processes. At the time, computers were room-sized mechanical giants that struggled with basic logic. The idea of one holding a casual conversation seemed almost impossible. For over 50 years, this goal of generic human mimicry remained the absolute ceiling for computer science. But modern artificial intelligence has shifted toward hyper-personalization, targeting the replication of specific individuals rather than general human behavior. Current AI development allows for the creation of systems designed to replicate a specific person's identity with high precision. To see how accessible this has become, a creator named Berta spent a week building a digital clone of herself. Her objective was to see if she could use AI to deceive her closest friends. The experiment worked. The AI captured her humor and texting habits so effectively that her friends were completely fooled by the bot. When an individual can engineer a convincing behavioral replica overnight, the simple act of receiving a text message becomes more complex to verify. Authentic human personality is rarely found on public social media feeds, which are often highly curated and performative. Instead, the most accurate behavioral data an individual produces lives within their private direct messages. Berta exported years of chat logs from apps like Messenger and Instagram to build her training set. This dataset included late-night rants, meme reactions, and the specific grammar patterns that define how she speaks when she isn't performing for an audience. This unedited communication history provided the raw material needed for an AI to learn her specific nuances. The technical process, known as fine-tuning, involves taking a pre-existing language model and limiting its focus to a specific dataset. This is similar to giving a computer a personal diary, forcing it to adopt a specific vocabulary and emoji frequency. Berta uploaded her sanitized chat history to a developer platform and let the model train overnight. Once the Berta bot was ready, she secretly connected it to her messaging apps without telling any of her contacts. During the test, her friend Alex engaged in a lengthy debate with the AI over weekend plans, unaware he was talking to a machine. The AI utilized Berta's signature sarcastic replies and successfully scheduled her real-life events. The sheer success of this custom bot shows that the technological barrier to identity cloning has dropped significantly. While the experiment began as a prank, it highlights a vulnerability in how we communicate online. If an individual can clone a digital identity this quickly, it becomes much harder to verify the identity of the person on the other end of a screen. This technology could be used by others to leverage our digital footprints and mimic our relationships. The assumption that a text message originates from a human being is no longer a given. This shift requires new methods for verifying identity and securing the data trail.